What's up, everybody? It's Trevor back again, doing this top end. Didn't mean to rhyme there, but let's keep it real on this one. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but I did it. So if I can do it, you can do it. The top end was not as hard as I thought it would be. Use this video, use other videos, just cross-reference, and you can get it done. So I just did a time lapse basically over the process, each step that I took. Got the old top end off, got my cylinder off. I went and got it bored out. I bored mine to, I want to say 83.50. Standard was maybe right at 83.25. Got the new piston, Wesson Co. Got my rings on there, got my piston oiled up. Make sure you put oil on everything. 2-stroke oil needs to go on everything on this piston, except the neck maybe. Again, I'm not a professional, but I cross-referenced enough to get the project done. So we got that new piston installed. We're about to put our rings on. Put our gasket on first, then we'll put our rings on. These rings did pop off on me, but I messed up here and I put the top one on first before I put the bottom one on, but still got it together. I also found out the reason this engine blew up was, I believe, the oil pump failed. So instead of messing with that oil pump again, I'm just gonna mix my gas. I'm gonna do a 32-to-1 mixture of oil and gas. You don't have to necessarily go with Polaris oil. I found that using some other oils is a little more convenient because that Polaris oil is very hard to find. So I reassembled everything. Put the new piston in, got it in the sleeve, in the cylinder. Then I'm gonna put that top on. I had to get some new studs. A couple of my studs vanished, air quotes, because people were in my workspace. But what can you do? So I got the top end on. I'm gonna have to change my airflow and coolant reservoir. I'm gonna have to do some brakes after this, but we got a lot of compression. I feel like she's gonna fire right up. So here you see that wire broke off. That's your coolant fan wire. Your fan, it'll start your fan up once that coolant reaches a certain temperature. Pull that black wire off, because if you just turn it, it'll break. I didn't know you could just slip it off of there. But I ordered a new one, and I'm just gonna have to splice it back on and attach it. But don't be like me. Thanks for watching.